Hi, and good afternoon from Sharp Automotive here in Watertown, South Dakota. I'm Christina and I'm going to show you something we just put out on the lot a few days ago. It's our 2020 Kia Telluride. Now, these are hard to come by. They're in high demand, along with the Hyundai Palisades and Toyota Sequoias. And we do have one on our lot. Like I said, it's a 2020, only 20,000 miles on it, and I can get you into it for under $50,000 when you finance through Sharp Automotive. It's a V6 with the 3.8 liter. It's Bluetooth, rear view camera, moonroof, navigation, dual zone climate, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, remote keyless entry, and you have the remainder of the factory warranty. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside. Do a little walk around as well. It's also all-wheel drive, which is very handy in Northeast South Dakota. We've got the power lift gate. Brings that up. Got your cargo space here. It's a third row vehicle, and these do fold down for that extra cargo, extra luggage, coolers, trip to Menards. We've got the buttons here that control the second row seat with the push of a button. Those seats fold down. Very convenient. These just fold down with a pull of this and pull and push. There you go. They both go down, or just one at a time depending on what your needs are. You've got the tether for the car seat for safety. We've got also up there, we've got the seat belt for the third person in the middle seat there if you need it. Now keep in mind, I'm doing this one-handed, so it definitely is easier when you have two hands free, but it is not difficult either. They've made it very convenient. Now we'll take a look at the second row. You've got your second row captain's chairs. You have heated seats for heated and ventilated seats in this middle row. You've got your outlets here. You've got your dual climate controls up there, cup holders. Very convenient. And one of my favorite things that I really like about the Telluride is when you're utilizing a vehicle with the third row, sometimes it gets a little awkward getting in and out. Third rows are great to have, but we have to all admit they're not the easiest when you've got young children. With the push of this button, which you can reach from the outside of the vehicle or your back passenger can reach, you push that and look, there's your exit and your entrance just with a simple push of a button. That is my favorite feature, I think, so far on this Telluride. We've got the leather seats. We've got USB ports here. And also, I'm going to mention, we've got USB ports here in the third row so everybody can charge their devices without fighting over one charging cord. You've all been there if you've got kids, don't you know? We've got the moonroof back here and there, so you've got the dual sunroofs. Take a look at the front seat. Quick touching on mileage. You've got 19 and 24 miles to the gallon, city and highway. Not too bad, kind of what you would expect for a little bit of a larger third row SUV that's all-wheel drive. You've got the brown leather here. You've got the wood trim, memory seats, power windows, power locks, speaker in the door, extra door storage here, power seats. Got your blind spot monitoring, your lane assist, traction control, your power lift gate. Just take a quick look before we hop in. There you see on the dash, 21,000 miles, 590. That is very minimal for any used vehicle. Start her up. So you can see no lights on the dash, doing a system check, steering wheel controls, heated steering wheel as well. There's your climate controls, nice large display screen. It's got your navigation. I'll turn the fan down so you can hear me. Got your navigation, you've got your music choices, heated and ventilated seats, nice storage, charging ports, more cup holders, which is a big thing in my book, your different drive modes, terrain, eco, sport, etc. Nice shift lever there. For under 50,000, this is a lot of vehicle. Great for a family. Would be great to travel in. Give me a call. My name is Christina Burbach, 605-233-1010. Thanks for watching. I'm at Sharp Automotive in Watertown, South Dakota. Give me a call today. I don't expect this to make it through the week since they are in such high demand vehicles. Have a great day.